Hi, welcome to the Backcountry Health Rehab video library. In this video, we'll be going through a progression from a quadruped elbow lift to a prone elbow lift and ultimately to a prone T movement. This is to activate the lower traps, the rhomboids, and work on some of that mid-back activation.
Start on all fours in a quadruped position with hands directly under shoulders and knees directly under hips. From here, place one hand gently behind your head and point your elbow straight down to the ground. You should just be resting your arm here, not pulling on your head or neck. Proceed to lift your elbow out to the side until your arm is parallel with the ground. Make sure to keep your shoulders and hips level, only moving your elbow from the shoulder joint and not rotating your torso at all. Go slow in order to target scapular mobility and control. You should feel the muscles around your shoulder blade working in this movement. Once you've mastered this version, you can progress by lying face down and going to a prone elbow lift, either on one side or both sides simultaneously. Start with hands behind head and elbows out to the side. Then lift your elbows off the ground by pulling your shoulder blades together towards your spine. Think about squeezing from the muscles in your mid-back to retract the shoulder blades. Finally, you can progress to a prone T by extending your arms out to the sides so that your body is in a T shape. Lift your arms off the ground and make sure to rotate your thumbs up towards the ceiling to maximize the effectiveness for your mid-back muscles. Hold briefly at the top before lowering your arms down to the ground, and then repeat for the prescribed number of repetitions.